Hey you guys, so we are back filming. Before we get started, disclaimer, I apologize for not uploading actually last week. You guys know if you watch my last video that my ring light pretty much burnt out on me, so I cannot use it. So I'm just using natural daylight right now. So I had to kind of like film around my work schedule and also hope that the weather is actually a good day, because if it's raining, no light. So yeah, kind of sucks in that department. And also, if you're wondering why I am barefaced, no makeup, I actually have an eye infection, aka pink eye. So I can't really wear makeup right now because I don't want to like contaminate my makeup products or my brushes. So I have to pretty much just skip out on that for like the next week. So that's why I'm barefaced au natural, but hopefully you guys don't mind. I wasn't gonna film anything during that whole process of my eye, you know, recovering, but I just couldn't sit out another week and be out for 2 weeks just because of that. So just kind of figured this is more of like a chill video. It's a haul, nothing, you know, serious. So hopefully you guys don't mind. But if you want to see what I picked up from Ulta, I went to Ulta, Walmart, I went to CVS and TJ Maxx. So you want to see what I picked up, then of course just keep watching. Alright you guys, so I guess I'll just pretty much, you know, I'm gonna try to stay in order. So starting out from TJ Maxx, I did pick up a highlighter palette from Profusion. You guys know I am a fan of their products. I pretty much have quite a few in my collection. I have their contour palette. I have a few of their just different products in my collection. So I kind of figured I would just pick up the highlighter palette, which just look like this. I love the marble packaging. I think it's so cute. You do get 6 highlighter shades in here. It's a mixture of like golden shades, like champagne colors, darker golden colors. So yeah, a nice array of colors in here, and it only costs $3.99 for this. I also have their blush palette, which I do love. It's super pigmented, and their contour palette is pigmented also. So I kind of figured, why not just add the highlighter palette to my collection? So I cannot wait to use this and just kind of let you guys know how I like it. So I did pick it up from TJ Maxx. My next item from TJ Maxx is just this fan brush. It is from Polish. It is their highlighting fan brush, and I think it's so cute. I love the size of it, and I've always wanted to get a fan brush like this to highlight my face. I always used like my Anastasia one, and I wanted to just get like something more of like the fan shape. So cannot wait to try this out and just kind of let you guys know how I like it. This one costs $5.99. Again, it's from TJ Maxx, so I did pick that up as well. And then my other product from TJ Maxx is from e.l.f. It's their Velvet Matte Deep Burgundy Lipstick. Here is the packaging for it. And then here's the actual product. You guys know I love a nice burgundy lip. So I kind of figured for $1.99, why not just try it out. I do have other lip products like this from them, just different colors. So here is the packaging. And I'll just swatch it for you. It's a really cute burgundy shade. So cannot wait to try this product out. I also picked up some lashes from Eyeshadow, which I already wore before. And it's my first time actually trying out anything from Eyeshadow, and I do love the lashes. It fit perfectly on my eyes. And if you guys want to try lashes from them, TJ Maxx have them for a cheaper price compared to like your actual like drugstore. So definitely check out TJ Maxx to get any kind of lashes. And it's also like the multi-pack, so you do get a lot more lashes for a cheaper price. So definitely love the ones that I picked out from them. Moving on to Ulta, I did get a few products from there. First one is by MAC. Is their Prep and Prime Fix Plus. Now you guys will not believe that I have never tried a Fix Plus from MAC at all, and I've always wanted to try it, but just kind of felt like, you know, it wasn't like necessary to have. So when I saw the mini one, I kind of figured let's try it out, see how you like it. So I did pick this up. And I also picked up from NYX is their lip oil. This product is new to NYX Cosmetics, so I cannot wait to try this out and actually see how it works, because it's a lip oil, so that's something that's different. So super excited about this product. The next one I pretty much already reviewed on my channel. I'll put the video in my description box so you guys can check it out. It's by NYX. It's their Powder Puff Lippy. It's a powder lip cream. Here is the packaging for it. And then here's the actual product. Now you guys know I told you that I pretty much love the product because it goes on and it dries down to like a powder finish, so it almost feel like it's a matte product, but it's actually not a matte product in terms of like claims. So I thought it was really cool and different, and it's super pigmented. And honestly, after that video, I still had the product on and I was eating, drinking, and it was still on my lips. So I was pretty much like blown away. Here is what the color looked like. So again, another burgundy color. This one is called Pop Quiz. So really pretty color. And then moving on, I told you guys if you watch my best of Maybelline, I told you guys that I don't own any Maybelline but eyeshadow palettes that I love, because every time I try their past eyeshadow palettes, I wasn't a fan. And I always wanted to get my hands on the one by Makeup Shayla, their collab with her. And I finally got my hands on it. I know I'm super late, but I could not find it for the longest. I don't know if I always just missed out or my stores didn't have it, but I finally got my hands on it at Ulta. So cannot wait to try this product out. I know I have heard nothing but good reviews on it. I'm not going to review it on my channel. I'm just going to use it like off camera and just kind of put it off camera. But cannot wait to try this product out because I've heard nothing but good things about this product. And then I also picked up from NYX is their Strictly Vinyl Lip Gloss. I have it in the color called Bombshell. Here is the product, and let me swatch it for you guys so you can see what it looks like. Really pretty, like brown color right here. So super cute. And again, cannot wait to try this product out as well. And then I think we have just Walmart left and CVS. Moving on to Walmart, I did pick up a few things from there. The first one is by Milani, not Milani, it's by Maybelline. It's their Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter. It's in the color called Molten Rose Gold. I told you guys that I kept seeing this one floating around the internet, but I didn't really see it a lot. So I wanted to just try it out because you guys know I love their like actual molten gold color. That one is amazing. So when I saw the rose gold, I kind of figured I would just give it a try and see how it look against my skin tone. Next product is my Maybelline. It's their Instant Age Rewind Eraser. You guys know this product is nothing new to them. However, they finally came up with like darker shades, which I was super excited about because I kept seeing good things about this product, but I couldn't try it because the shades weren't like wearable for my skin tone. So this one is in the color Tan, and cannot wait to try this product out. Next one, it is by Maybelline. It's their Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. I kept seeing so many reviews about this product on YouTube and I could not find it in store. And you guys know, when it comes to foundations, I don't order my foundations online. I'm strictly an in-store kind of girl. So I finally seen it in my Walmart and I picked it up. I have it in 355 Coconut. Again, cannot wait to try it. I picked up that color because I'm that color in my Dewy and Smooth for the Fit Me line. So I kind of figured just pick up the same color for this one and hopefully it's a match for me. And then my next product is actually from Walgreens. It's by Milani. It is their Amore Shine Liquid Lip Color in the color called Temptation. You guys, this lip product is amazing. And when I say the pigmentation is so awesome and it's super shiny, which you guys know I love a glossy lip. And when I first tried it out, I was like, oh my god, I have to get some more. And I just think they did an awesome job. They pretty much do really good with their lip products, so I wasn't like surprised, but I do love the product a lot. Here is a swatch on my hand, and again, I love the shine and glossiness that you get from the product. So super cute. And then also from CVS, I picked up the new Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. It's called Not a Basic Peach, which just look like this. You guys know they have some other colors for their new eyeshadows. I was going to get the one that was more under like the warm tone, like that one, but I kind of figured just try something different because you have so many warm tone eyeshadows in your collection that look just like that one. So I did pick up this one and hopefully I like it. And then my last two products is from Walmart. It's by Milani. It's their eyeshadow palette. I did review these products on my channel already for you guys. I'll put it in my description box so you guys can check it out. I have their Most Loved Matte eyeshadow palette. Here is the packaging. Super cute and high-end looking. This is what the inside look like. So really pretty colors. I told you guys I did have a preference if you had to choose just one, but you have to watch the video to see which one that is. This is Bold Obsessions. And then here's the inside of the palette. Super cute. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much all of my new makeup products that I bought within the last month and a half. So hopefully you guys enjoy my video. Like always, please rate, comment, and subscribe. And again, I apologize for my more chill, relaxed look. But you probably will see a few more videos with me with no makeup on, because I do want to continue to upload on my uploading days, which is Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. If you did not know, that's my days that I upload for my channel. So hope you guys don't mind my more chill, relaxed look. I think by next week I should be good with putting back on my makeup, but for this week, no makeup. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.